Hello everyone, this is Matt Ragazzino. I'm going to talk to you about my Max MSP patches. I didn't use Max MSP, I actually used an open source version called Pure Data, which is another graphical programming language that allows you to create audio patches. It's just like Max MSP, except it's not as clean looking and it has a little bit more type interface instead of drag and drop kind of interface. So I'm going to kind of describe a little bit about Pure Data and how it operates, and then going into the two examples that I created for the homework. So when you open up Pure Data, you get this screen right here, which is just a console that like notifies you of warnings, errors, what actions have been performed, and it allows you to set the compute audio. And when you open this up, you can open up a new patch, or create a new patch, or open existing patches, which are these two items here on the side. So this is my first patch, and this is my second patch. The first patch is on page 116 of the book, is a panning algorithm, and they wanted you to modify the rectangular wave to play this piano tuner. I didn't get the speed changes or the looping implemented yet, but this took quite a while to figure out. The second patch here is the audio engineering at the top of page 117, and I wrote this to mimic the tone that was created in the samples given online. So just to kind of a quick overview of what Pure Data has, these square objects here are what they call objects, which process audio or handle control signals, and the first word on each one notifies what it does. These rectangular objects here with the half moon on the side is a message, so when you click it in the edit interface or the edit mode, it will send a message to the next object. So these here are messages, and then this up here is a message which will read in a file and store it in an array, which is this over here. And these weird looking gray boxes are numbers which you can control or manually hear or send data from another object like this. And then down here, just quickly describe these objects. We have a bang, which is similar to what a bang is in Max MSP. Here's a line object which takes like an input and then creates a linear translation between 2 points. And when I show this, you'll see what happens to the numbers. It will go up and down to mimic the tone that was generated in the file. So without further ado, I'm going to show you the two audio files that are the two patches and what they do. So before I begin, I'm just going to I just want to let you know that the audio can't be recorded from the speakers, so you won't get the full panning effect, but you'll get the main idea behind what the patch is doing by what I show you on the screen. So starting from scratch, this is what you see. You'll click on this, and as you see, you load in the audio file. And up here I have the option to pan left or right. I'll kind of start in the middle, and I'll have a bang here to start and stop the audio file. So if I click this, you hear the audio file, and as I pan, it should go from left to right. And if I start the ticker, this will also show you where audio is left to right. As I said, this is the left speaker volume. This is the right speaker volume. Center is 0, and up at the top is 1. So as I pan this, you see the effect of the audio shifting from left to right. Finally, I'm going to talk a little bit about the reverse engineering patch that I created. So when I listened to the tone, it started about 220 hertz. After 5 seconds, over a 5-second period, it ramps up to 880 hertz, sustains for 5 seconds, then drops back down to 220 hertz over a 5-second period, and then that's the end of the clip. So it's 15 seconds in total. First 5 seconds ramping up. The 5 to 10 seconds, it sustains the same frequency, and then the final 5 seconds, it goes back down to 220 hertz, which is what it does here. So I have a bang, it sends a message, sets it to 220 initially, sends 800, it says it goes to 880 hertz over 5 seconds, 5,000, meaning 5,000 milliseconds. I delay for 10 seconds on this strand, then send a message, and this will go back down to 220 over a 5-second period, and then I finally cut it off. I delay after 15 seconds and send a 0 to end the clip. So again, this is coming through my speakers, so it might sound a little funny, but you'll get the main idea. So here it goes. Thanks for your time.